Hi everybody, I'm just doing this video to show a solution that I've found to a problem with the Listen Again player. The BBC Radio Listen Again player has been updated recently, but it's actually introduced a problem, the problem being that some of the functionality has been lost. It's functionality you would normally expect to find in a player as on YouTube or similar. And what happens is this: if you run the Listen Again player, I think it's been changed into a version of the iPlayer, which is what's happened. What it is that if you've got a long program like this, if you pick up this slider bar to move somewhere further into the program, the number here, normally in a player, as you move that, it will show you what minutes and seconds you are going to move to, but you don't get it, so you have no idea. You're just guessing as to where this is going to be. And also, you can't run back sort of 30 seconds. It snaps back to a sort of larger sort of 1 or 2 minutes, so it's impossible to accurately find a section of the recording, which is a pain. On Googling this problem, I found an answer here on it's the iPlayer message board. This is that's where I found it. If we look at it, somebody has very accurately detailed it around here. So it's saying if you drag the bullet along the progress bar, you could see where it was going. There's also this snapback problem, and you've lost the sort of, you could just jump forward by 2 minutes. However, this chap somebody has replied with an answer here, which is that you take the link from the Radio iPlayer and put it into the normal iPlayer, and change console to episode. So let's just try that and see what happens. So what we do is if you click on that, it selects it, goes blue, so you go Control C, which will copy it onto the clipboard. Let's then go to a new tab, go Control V, which will put that in. Then we edit this to change that to episode. And the radio program iPlayer link has now come up in the normal iPlayer. The chap who put this solution on said he doesn't know how long this will work for, because this might be lost at some stage, but here's hoping we don't. So if we then start playing this, you can then, when you pick this up, that little number there, you can see exactly where you're moving to. So if I want to go to 3 minutes 20, I can do that, and I'm there exactly. And if I want to go back 30 seconds, I can go back to 2 minutes 30. And there are. One thing you've got to notice is if you start dragging this back, it's at 2:35 at the moment. It actually jumps forward to start with, and you have to make sure that you actually drag it back to the correct time. But anyway, so that gives you the functionality that you want, that when you drag this along, it shows you here exactly where you're going to end up, which is very helpful. And I just add my please, so that if anybody from BBC iPlayer watches this, please put this back into the radio player, because it is very handy. Thank you very much.